Welcome to Jakey Boy Motors. Today I'm working on a Kia Forte. It started engine code P0365, and that's the camshaft position sensor. I'll show you guys how to change that out. Before I get started, I want to talk to you guys about this little thing I have in my hand. This is an engine code reader. You can get them on eBay, Amazon, 30, 40 bucks, sometimes even cheaper. I got this a few years ago on eBay. You can tell it's kind of old, but it comes in handy. I mean, every car eventually is going to throw engine codes. It's in a weird location, sorta, because the bolt's hard to access. It's a 10mm. There's a little gap in between. You can get, if you have an extender through, you can reach it. Here's the tool through the gap. This is what I was talking about. There's a gap that passes through it, in case you couldn't see it before. But that's it. And you just turn it so it's loose. And you have to shimmy that sensor out a little bit, pop the new one in. I got it out. To make room to turn the ratchet, you need to have that plug off that sensor right there. It's just a pin you pull. It's very easy to get out. But here's the old sensor, and I'm going to pop the new one in. Here's the new sensor. You can get these off of eBay, Amazon, auto parts store. It doesn't really matter. I mean, they're readily available. I got this one off Amazon because it's a little cheaper, and it actually is, as you can see, from Hyundai and Kia. Alright, I got the new sensor in. Just gotta plug it back up and see if it's still throwing codes. Check engine lights out. There's obviously no codes. I did do a scan, so job's done. It worked.